Hey guys, it's Emily here from Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. This is our newest trade-in. It's a 2018 Ram 3500 Laramie, so let's go check it out. Up at the front of this one, as you can see, there has been some stuff done to it. So we're going to have the aftermarket bumper. It's going to have those light bars built in, as well as some pods as well on either side. You got these nice heavy-duty red tow hooks here, as well as your aftermarket grille. And then if we pop this hood open, you do have your 6.7 liter Cummins. Along the side of this one, it is sitting on 22-inch fuel rims, 37-inch tires, 6-inch BDS Lift with the upgraded Fox shock suspension system. You have your bushwhacker flares right here, as well as a bullet antenna. Flip-up tow mirrors, kickback bulletproof mud flaps, as well as your proximity entry on your doors. As you can see, this one is wrapped in a beautiful army green color, and it is a 8-foot box. Coming into the back here, there is another aftermarket bumper. It has some bed steps to get into your box. Also has 2 light pods built in. And then of course you're going to have your hitch here as well. They did replace the Ram badging with this beautiful little Canada flag right here. Backup camera. And then if we open up the box, you do have your 5th wheel prep as well as spray and bed liner. But now we're going to take a look inside the truck. Up in the front of this one, you do have your black leather seats. They are going to be heated and cooled, and they are going to have your Laramie stamping on them. Tons of storage in both of your center consoles here. The top center console does have a USB, a USB-C, and an aux plug-in in it. Coming to right here, 2 cup holders as well as some more storage right here. 12-volt plug-in with a phone holder as well. And then you also have this nice little area here, perfect for your phone or any change. And then this one does come equipped with dual glove boxes as well. Coming to your 8.4-inch touchscreen, you do have the option to hook up your phone for that Bluetooth. You also do have navigation. You can program in your home and your work right into the truck. This is where you have all of those controls for the heated and cooled seats that we talked about, as well as your heated steering wheel. And then this truck also has a cargo camera, so if you are hooking up that 5th wheel, it's super, super handy. And then you can also zoom right into your hitch as well. Coming over to your climate, this one does have dual climate control, and then the buttons for your heated seats can be accessed there as well. And then of course when your phone is connected, this is where all of your media will show. If you don't want to use the screen, you can just turn it off, and then your climate control can still be accessed through buttons right here, and same with the heated and cooled seats. This one has your built-in exhaust brake right here. You also have the options to turn on and off your front and rear park sensors, tow haul mode, and then of course traction control with that built-in trailer brake. All your 4-wheel drive controls are right there. The actual steering wheel itself is going to have all of your hands-free controls, all of your cruise controls, so super convenient location. And then of course you have your flip-in tow mirrors on this one. This truck is also deleted and tuned. And then of course on the left-hand side here, you're going to have all the buttons for those light bars and pods we saw on the outside. Auto headlights on this one too. You also have the Alpine sound system, some additional storage up here. Coming up top here, this is your universal garage door opener. So you have 3 different buttons that can be programmed into 3 different garage doors. Power sliding rear window here. And then of course you have your sunroof with your shade. But now we're gonna go finish up in the back seat. In the back of this one, there is a ton of legroom as it is a crew cab, so your passengers will love that. They're also going to love those heated seats, and you can set them onto high or low in this truck. And then your passengers also do have access to that 12-volt plug-in, as well as they do have the option to control their own airflow. If this truck wasn't so big, I would pull this down and show you. It has 2 cup holders in it, and it is an armrest. On the floor, you have these lovely all-weather floor mats. And then in your door, you have a couple of more storage areas, as well as one of the speakers for your Alpine sound system. Your seats flip up in a 40-60 split. You're going to have a sub on this side, and then tons of storage on that side. And then, of course, your power sliding rear window as well. But if you'd like some more info on this lifted Ram, you can give us a call, 780-942-3629, or you can click that Shop Now button below for more info.